Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by opening Microsoft Edge and going straight to Settings. This is where the Restore Pages behavior lives. Once inside Settings, click the three-dot menu, select Settings, and then pick the On Startup section. Make sure you're signed into your profile so changes stick to the correct account. If you're on a managed device, confirm you have admin rights or contact IT now, because enterprise policies can override local preferences and block changes to startup behavior. Once on Startup, choose the behavior you want. Pick Open a specific page or pages to set stable pages, or select Open the new tab page to avoid restores. If you see entries that reopen old tabs, remove them by clicking the X next to each URL. This prevents Edge from restoring those pages. If settings revert, turn off Profile Sync briefly and apply the change locally. Then re-enable Sync so your choice propagates without bringing the old session back. For stubborn restores, clear session data and check advanced flags. Go to edge/settings/clear browser data and clear cached images and files as well as cookies from the last session, then open edge//flags and reset any session restore experiments to default. Once done, restart Edge to ensure the settings take effect. If Edge still reopens pages, run a repair from Windows settings or reset the browser profile. Make sure to back up bookmarks first. If problems continue, the troubleshooting tip below will help.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.